Hi friends, good morning and welcome back to our channel. So friends, finally from Bidar Air Force Station. So you all know that recently you have done with your skill test and so you are waiting for your final merit list, right? So people who have been shortlisted in after conducting skill test, people who have been shortlisted, so they are sending final provisional call letter to the selected candidates. Now let's see more details about the call letter. Friends, on the screen you are seeing the letter which is released from Bidar Air Force Station, which is related to provisional selection letter to the post of so and so. So finally, they are sending without releasing or declaring the results of merit list. They are sending provisional call letter to the each selected candidates for both main candidate and standby candidate. So on the screen you are seeing clearly the provisional call letter. So now let's look into the letter. What are all the details were mentioned in this letter? So in the first point we can see reference is made to the station letter number dated on 24 September 2021. On the date of 24 September you have attended the examination and in the month of November you have done your skill test. And in the second point we can see you are hereby informed that you have been provisionally selected for post of so and so category under category. You are hereby directed to do report to the station civil admin section on before 21 Jan 2022 between 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the afternoon to fill up the police verification and medical examination forms. Further, on receipt of verification of character antecedents from respective district collector and medical examination from government hospital or any appointment letter. So on the third point we can see while reporting to the station you are required to bring all the certificates in original, 3 self-attested photocopies of each document, failing which standby candidate will be selected for the said post. So you have to carry your all education qualification and caste certificate and along with the 3 passport size photocopies has to be carried, and the documents were clearly mentioned which are the documents you need to carry to the Air Force Station. So you have to carry your education qualification certificate and your Aadhaar card and caste certificate, experience certificate, date of birth certificate. So these are all the documents original you have to carry to the Air Force Station and you need to submit and they will be verifying your documents. And finally you have to fill your police verification form and medical form. Then finally your appointment original appointment letter will be reaching to you. So these are all the process. So finally they are sending provisional call letter to the selected candidates. So hope for the best. So you have to be in touch with your postal team, and thank you so much for watching this video friends. If anyone have doubt you can mention your doubt in the comment section.